Pinpoint weather alert still in effect. It has been now for 4 days, right? This is the fourth day of temperatures in the 90s. So we achieved that heat wave status. So we had a 3-day heat wave, and it sounds like we're on the verge of another 3-day heat wave.
Yeah, in order for it to technically count as a heat wave, you have to have those temperatures above 90 degrees for at least 3 days. So yesterday, we reached that. We checked that box. We did it. But we're going to continue to extend it all the way through the rest of today and even into this weekend. It is already in the 90s for a couple of spots out there. Narragansett Beach looking a little crowded, a very popular destination, not only today, but I imagine this weekend as well, as people are trying to beat the heat. We saw a couple of people out on the bike path earlier this morning. Looks like there might be a few people out there already trying to get in those early morning workouts before things get too hot. Looking back towards Providence, you can just see blue skies, a couple of scattered clouds, but really very clear, very sunny. Providence is one of the spots that is up to 90 degrees already. Check out the dew points though, 61. That is drastically lower than it was yesterday. You can feel it's just a bit drier out there. Still plenty hot, but just not nearly as humid as it was yesterday and for the past couple of days. We're going to continue that heat wave, like I mentioned, through till about Sunday. We're also tracking the return of some more tropical moisture as we look forward to tomorrow and Sunday. Those dew points will pick back up into the 70s. And then we're also looking forward to our rain chances for next week, as well as some relief from this heat. Lots of sunshine out there. There was a couple of showers out towards the Cape this morning, but everything has cleared out and we are expecting dry conditions for the rest of today and even pretty much for the rest of the weekend. We saw a cold front move across our area overnight last night. It's kind of stalled just off the coast, kind of moving across our region as a makeshift warm front at this point. But either way, really the big difference and the big impact from that front was really just the cooler dew points. It's not really going to cool down the actual air all that much. 90 right now for Providence, 86 for Coventry and Westerly, Narragansett. Even along the coast, it's very warm out there. 89 degrees Glendale, up to 85. As we look forward to the rest of this afternoon, we're going to continue to warm up into the low to mid 90s. So still a very hot day on the way, still above average temperatures for our region for this time of year. Lots of sunshine out there, but again, a tiny bit more comfortable with those lower dew points. Basically what it means is just the heat index and the feel like temperature going to be fairly close to the actual air temperature. So you'll be feeling like the mid 90s as well as it actually being in the mid 90s. Now that starts to change as we look forward to this weekend. We have a heat advisory already issued for tomorrow and Sunday. Goes into effect tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. goes all the way through till 8 o'clock Sunday. What that means is that heat index is going to be back up above 95, closer to almost 102, 103 by about Sunday. So we really don't see those cool conditions from this afternoon sticking around all that long. It's really just today that sweet spot. Now we are tracking cooler weather for next week. We're back into the 80s, a chance for some rain on Monday as a front kind of sweeps across our area. Some showers and thunderstorms on the way. Quickly clears out, some more sunshine for your Tuesday and Wednesday, and those temperatures, they'll be back into the 80s. But make sure you stay cool this weekend and take it easy as best you can. You can head over to our website, that's WPRI.com, for that full 7-day forecast. We have it over there. You can check it out anytime you like.
All right, thank you, Brittany.